Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I am back with yet another Rainbow High doll. I previously reviewed the Violet and Sunny dolls that MGA sent to me, but for this video I went on a little doll hunt. I found the Rainbow High dolls at the Dutch toy store Intertoys. And let me tell you that they all looked so pretty in real life. The Intertoys I went to had quite the stock, which was great to see. It's been such a long time since I've been this excited about a doll line that I could actually get in my local toy store, and I really love this feeling. I got 2 dolls on this trip. So if you want to know who else I got besides Ruby, make sure to subscribe to my channel to see her review and makeover very soon. Also leave a comment down below right now telling me your guesses. As I mentioned, the first doll that I got is this Ruby Anderson. She comes in the same box as the other dolls I reviewed, with the golden Rainbow High logo at the top, and the main 6 girls from the first wave, including the one I got in red. And it says Rainbow High, the boldly colorful fashion school where everyone learns to flaunt their true colors. I pointed out in my previous reviews that the girls are also on the bottom of the box, and it varies per box if the colors match the characters' color schemes or not. For Ruby's box, something really interesting is happening, where the yellow, orange and red match up, and then we have Violet in this reddish pink color, we have Skylar in this purple tone, and Jade in blue. So it matches about halfway through. I'm really excited about this doll because I think she has such cool fashion pieces, and I love her red hair already. The easiest way I found to get these dolls opened is by cutting the tape on the sides, top and bottom. So you can simply open up the bag to reveal the doll and the compartment that holds the doll stand as well. As you might know by now, the doll stands are in this translucent, sparkly plastic that says Rainbow on the base. These Rainbow High dolls also come with these clothing hangers that allow you to display the second outfit she comes with. For her second outfit, Ruby has this really cool jacket that's mainly black with a red stripe on the front that has Rainbow spelled out in white letters. The jacket has this really cool zipper detail, some red and white stripes on the sleeves, and it says Rainbow on the back as well. There's also an elastic band at the bottom and at the arm cuffs as well, which makes this look so realistic. This jacket actually might be my favorite Rainbow High fashion piece so far. Ruby also comes with this strapless top with a red horizontal strip, white mesh material, and black elastic bands at the top and bottom. It has this really cool zipper detail in the front, which I really like. For the skirt, she has a bright red leather skirt with black stitching that comes with a transparent belt that says Rainbow in golden letters, which I think could be the exact same material as the straps on Sunny's dress. The shoes Ruby comes with are so cool. They are these short black boots with high heels and this flame effect painted on. These shoes really remind me of Jade from the 2018 Bratz line, and I'm totally here for that. The shoes also have this really nice golden zipper detail, and the mold of these boots is really nice. They have that folded look around the ankle, which makes these boots so realistic once again. And then we have the doll. Inside of her box, you can find her red comb that's made of the same plastic as the stand. Right out of the box, the doll's hair has this nice wave to it. The front is gelled in place to keep the shape, but the back feels like it's a great quality hair. For the hair color, there are several shades of red in there, which gives the doll a very subtle highlighted look, which I really like because I expected her hair to really be one solid color. Ruby's wearing a snapback hat that also has these fire details and says rainbow. You can remove this hat pretty easily. It's attached to the hat with this back on the inside of the cap, so the doll does have that hole in her head. Since this doll is rooted really well and has a nice amount of hair, I'm not too worried about covering that hole when you're styling the hair. When you match up the back with the hole in her head, you're also able to let her wear this cap to the front, which I think is a really fun option. For Ruby's face, she has these light brown eyebrows, sparkly golden eyeshadow, those real lashes we've seen, and her purple and pink inset eyes. Ruby is wearing this pink lip color, and she has the same glossy face as the other dolls. Then for her main outfit, she is wearing this red bra top that matches the second skirt perfectly. This bra piece is a separate piece from the white top she's wearing underneath, which also really reminds me of the 2018 Jade doll. I really love seeing this similarity, as both the Bratz and the Rainbow High dolls were made by MGA. The top that's underneath is a white top that says Sparkle. And I really love that all these pieces are separate, because that will make it really fun to create mix and match outfits with these dolls. Around her waist, this doll is wearing a wrapped around flannel shirt, just like the one I'm wearing especially for this review. It is a faux flannel shirt that velcros in the back and comes off like a skirt. This piece is attached to the pants with some tags, but those are easily removable. That leaves you with this really simple outfit, with her red pants, with golden trim all the way around, and that gold metallic print in the front. For her shoes, just like Sunny's, she has these clear straps. The platforms are painted black with red bottoms. One thing I did notice is that this doll does not have pierced ears, so she's actually the first Rainbow High doll I got without earrings. I'm really curious to hear if there are more dolls in this first wave that do not come with earrings, so if you know more about this, let me know in the comments. Then I dress the doll in an outfit I don't mind getting wet, and I start rinsing the hair, being really careful of that thatched part, because I don't want to mess that up. As I did with my other Rainbow High dolls, I'm simply rinsing out the gel first and breaking up these sections with my fingers. When I feel like most of the product is rinsed out, I take my comb and start combing the hair out. As you can see, getting rid of that product also really helped with covering the hole for her cap. But it did give me some more shedding than I experienced with the previous dolls. However, I am not too worried about that, to be honest, because she still has a lot of hair on her head. I also gave this doll a hot water rinse to smooth out the hair a little more, but to be honest, I didn't really feel like she needed that because her hair was already so soft after just rinsing out the product. I think I might have said it before, but these dolls really do have such incredible hair. Now that the hair is wet, you can also really see the high and low lights of this doll a lot better. Then after washing the hair, I redressed the doll and wrapped her hair around perm rollers to give it some nice wave. Just for fun, I also wanted to see how these dolls would look with some fake lashes added to her existing lashes. I know that these ones are very extreme, but these were the best ones I could find in stores. These specific lashes do have a sticky side to them already, which makes it quite easy to attach it to the lashes of the dolls. Obviously they are too big because they're made for human eyes, so I'll trim them to fit the doll's lashes perfectly. Then what I do is basically fold the doll's lashes down and I press on the fake lashes to the real ones, which gives you this really dramatic look. As you can see, I kept it a little too long at first, so you'll just have to play around with it and cut those a little more. But as you can see, it's also really easy to take them off without damaging the actual lashes. After cutting the lashes down a little more, this is what they look like. I'm really curious to hear what you think of these lashes, because I know they're really extreme, but I kinda like the fact that you can temporarily customize the lashes of your dolls like this. Another fun fact I found out while taking pictures of this doll is that with a little balancing, I actually did manage to get this doll to stand on her own, which I was so excited about. Another really cool thing is that these ripped black leggings she's wearing are actually the Made to Move Barbie leggings. The reason I'm so happy about that is because I have quite a lot of those, and now I can finally repurpose them in a way I really love. As you might be able to tell, I had a really great time playing with this Rainbow High Ruby Anderson doll, and I hope you liked this review and makeover for her. If you did, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel for more doll reviews, makeovers and tutorials. To see more pictures I take of my dolls, follow me on Instagram too, @thedollboy. See you next time!